Hey guys, the snow got even worse. Oh my god, it is so freaking snowy out here. It turned into a snowstorm, guys. Well, it was originally just light snow, now it's heavy snow. Snow's actually gotten worse this morning. Oh shit. Hang on, for my cats came out. Get inside, damn it. One of my cats came out. I just wanted to show you guys what the snow looks like out here. Keeping my foot in the window so the cats don't go out again. Sorry, I had to get one of my cats back inside. Look at this. Snowy morning, Tuesday, November 24th, 2020. This is the biggest night snowstorm I remember having this year so far. One of the biggest anyway. Yeah, the snow has gotten pretty bad this morning. It's gotten definitely intensified. So yeah, I just wanted to make a video updating that the snow's even worse now. It's supposed to, it'll probably be gone in a couple hours. It's not supposed to snow that long this morning. It's just snowing right now. It's pretty chilly. As you can see, it's really snowing. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video.